how to turn on full charge voice notification on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to set up voice alerts for when your Android device reaches a full charge of 100%. So open up the settings app and then navigate to modes and routine section. Tap on it and then go to the routines on the bottom. Now there is a plus sign on top right. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you can see add what will trigger this routine. Go ahead and tap on it. And then scroll down to the device section. And under device, tap on battery level. Now you'll have to change it to 100% and then tick on equal to or above. And then tap on done. Now, you'll see under then, add what this routine will do. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on show custom notification. And here enter the title. That is battery level. And then here enter the notification text. So you can put anything that you want. I am going to put battery is fully charged. And then I will just toggle on read this notification aloud and hit done. And that's it. Now you will get voice alerts when your phone reaches 100%. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.